How to fix a TikTok not letting you message. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to just go over and change up your settings for your TikTok not letting you messages. So let's just dive right into the video and get started, and you can also try out this common fixes. So first of all, update the application, ensure you're using the updated version. Go to Play Store for that, and within the Play Store go to the search and go ahead and basically search for the option called TikTok. And once you find TikTok, you can just go over and update the application to the latest version if any kind of update is available for it, to avoid the bugs that may be causing the issue. Apart from that, we can check privacy settings for the TikTok. So open up TikTok. And once we open up TikTok, tap on the profile in the bottom right to access our profile. Once accessed, look out for the menu option in the top right and go ahead and select the option of settings and privacy. After that, inside here, go ahead and tap on privacy. Look out for the option called direct messages and go ahead and turn on that option to ensure that the messaging is not restricted to no one and it's set to friends. You can look out for permission settings for that and go ahead and give options for potential connections or others on TikTok, and you should be able to let someone message you. And also clear the cache of your TikTok application. You can hold it up and go to the info. Once you've done so, you can just go over and look out for the option called storage and tap on the option called clear cache and clear the cache for your device. And if none of this work, you can just go over and check the server status of TikTok as well, and if nothing else works, you can report the issue. But usually these are probably the solutions you can follow for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.